10. Austria. Austria scored particularly highly in social support and its citizens' freedom, and was no doubt helped by its capital, Vienna, now widely regarded to be the world's most livable city. 9. Canada. Although Canada is still ranked as one of the happiest nations in the world, Canada still ranks high across pretty much every category, with great life expectancy married to a still small population, with more than enough room to spread out and find their own corner of paradise. 8. New Zealand. New Zealand remains a relaxed, welcoming wonderland that loses none of its appeal, whether you're on vacation or based there permanently. New Zealand is also known for the beautiful landscapes, outdoor adventure sports, Switzerland. It's one of the world's wealthiest countries and has been well known for centuries for its neutrality. Their welfare and healthcare programs are amongst some of the best in the world. The average life expectancy is 83. The Swiss see public transportation as a right. They have a bus system that ensures no one in the country has to walk more than 10 minutes to get to public transportation. 5. The Netherlands. A country in northwestern Europe, it's known for a flat landscape of canals, tulip fields, windmills, and cycling routes. The country is also renowned for its livability, progressiveness, and work-life balance. Pace of life and freedom are particularly strong points that put a smile on many residents' faces. 4. Iceland. The island nation was rated to be one of the most peaceful nations on Earth. Beautiful landscapes that make you feel like you're wandering through Middle-earth. Iceland offers a relatively low income tax, free healthcare, and free higher education to its citizens. 3. Norway. Norway is consistently described as Europe's most beautiful country. People in Norway tend to have a great deal of social support, trust their government, and live a long life. 2. Denmark. Benefiting from excellent life expectancy and one of the smallest wealth gaps in the world, it's got to have its eye on the top spot for 2020. 1. Finland. Finland is one of the most peaceful countries in the world. It has the highest quality of life. The country of about 5.5 million people, married to the extraordinary freedom offered by its landscapes and social structure, make it the place to live.